In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. Before we begin, a quick word of caution. Windows Defender is your built-in antivirus and security tool. Disabling it, even for a short time, can leave your PC vulnerable to threats like malware or unwanted software. Only turn it off if you have a specific reason, such as installing a trusted program that Windows keeps blocking. And make sure you turn it back on as soon as you're done. Let's start by opening the Windows Security app. On your Windows 11 desktop, click the Start button in the taskbar, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Windows Security. When you see the Windows Security app appear in the results, click it to open. Inside Windows Security, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side or in tiles on the main screen. Look for the one labeled Virus and Threat Protection and select it. This is where you manage the real-time protection features that Windows Defender uses to scan files and apps as you open them. On the Virus and Threat Protection page, scroll until you see the section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Under that, click on Manage Settings. This will take you to a screen with several toggles that control different protection options. Here you'll find Real-Time Protection. This is the main switch that continuously monitors your device. To temporarily turn off Windows Defender, click the toggle under Real-Time Protection so that it switches from on to off. You may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this change. If so, confirm it. Once it's turned off, Windows will usually show a warning that your device is vulnerable. That's normal when protection is disabled. Keep in mind that this change is temporary. Windows will often turn real-time protection back on automatically after a while, or after a restart, to keep your device protected. Because of that, try to do whatever task required you to disable Defender right away, such as installing your trusted application or running a specific tool. When you're finished, it's a good idea to manually turn protection back on. Just stay on the same settings page or navigate back to Windows Security. Open Virus and Threat Protection, choose Manage Settings again, and switch Real-Time Protection from off back to on. Once the toggle is back on, your system will resume monitoring for threats. And that's it. You've now temporarily disabled and then re-enabled Windows Defender on Windows 11 in a safe and controlled way.